case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Airman Basic Daniel D. Davis filed an appeal in 2003 after a military court found him guilty of unauthorized absence and drug use. The case, titled United States v. Davis, sought to challenge the impartiality of the court's decision, as it focused on the critical requirement of a neutral and fair post-trial reviewer in the sentencing process of a convicted service member. The controversy around Davis's case arose from the post-trial review process, where Major General F was the convening authority. While performing his duties, Major General F made statements that indicated a predisposition against clemency, casting a shadow on his impartiality. These remarks raised doubts about the Major General's capability for objective consideration on the question of clemency for Davis. As a result, the case was returned for re-evaluation by a different impartial convening authority. Despite the case being returned, Major General F proceeded to approve the initial sentence. This led to further questions about his qualification to provide a fair post-trial review for Davis given his shown bias. In parallel cases, notably Howard and Wise, both had their convening authorities disqualified for a lack of individualized consideration during their post-trial review processes. This mirrored the case of Davis, as the court identified Major General F's predisposition towards approving certain adjudged sentences, especially in cases concerning convicted drug users, as a disqualifying factor. The lack of information from the court-martial order to assess Major General F's impartiality highlighted a glaring issue. Reflecting the precedent set by a landmark case, United States v. Walker, the court returned Davis's case to the Judge Advocate General of the Air Force. There, a different neutral convening authority would need to provide individualized consideration during Davis's post-trial review process. Such cases underline the critical importance of maintaining the principles of impartiality and individualized consideration in the post-trial review processes of military courts. It reiterated the substantial role these principles play in upholding the integrity of judicial processes, ensuring fair sentencing for every convicted service member.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.